Today we're unboxing a SATURN SD365 inflatable boat. This is a 12-foot model, and it comes with carry bag, hand pump, repair kit, 2 aluminum bench seats, pair of aluminum oars, and an instruction book. The boat itself comes tightly packed in the shape you see here. Once taken out of the box, unroll it, once tubes are inflated, unfold the floor, position it, smooth it out along the edges, and make sure that the valve for the keel is visible through the hole in the floor. The last step after inflating the tubes, then the floor, we inflate the keel. SATURN inflatable boats are constructed of 1100 denier, Korean, military-grade PVC fabric. They come with 5 separate internal air chambers. 1, 2, 3 on the tubes. The 4th is the floor. Number 5 would be the keel. Boats come standard with overinflation protection valve. These kick in when the pressure inside of the tubes heats up. It'll let it out through here as opposed to damaging the tubes and overinflating and stretching. It comes standard with stainless D-rings for towing, stainless hand grab in the front for easy carry, and extra rope for your anchor. They also come standard with wraparound rub strake protector that prevents against puncture on walls, barnacles, etc. Most SATURN inflatable boats come with high pressure double stitch air floors that become rigid upon inflation. SATURN inflatable boats come with innovative triangular splash guards on the transom. These splash guards serve 2 purposes. 1, as the name states, prevents water from splashing from the motor into the boat. Their secondary purpose is to shield the transom from the sun's UV rays. All SATURN boats come with a heavy-duty, marine-grade wood transom, treated with resin for longevity. This particular transom is capable of holding a 30 horsepower motor. SATURN inflatable boats come with deep V keels that allow for excellent direction and stability when moving through the water. Along the keel is an extra rub strake protector that protects the vulnerable points from puncture from abrasives such as sand, small rocks, etc. Another feature of SATURN inflatable boats is a double layer of fabric under the tubes. This protects the tubes from accidental puncture in cases of small rocks, abrasive sand, etc. Once the keel and tubes are properly inflated, they create a rigid bottom that makes a V shape that gives directional stability to the boat. The air floor is removable. Inside the boat, below the floor, there's an inflatable